I'll like be like, oh, where's Liam? And he'll be like up against the wall, like doing all this.
I'm just getting nimble.
You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my videos. Today we are going to Liverpool. We thought we'd go for like a night away somewhere, just to have a bit of a different date night.
Date
night in Liverpool. And we are staying at the Titanic Hotel in Liverpool. I think it's like on the waterfront, so it's going to be dead cute. And I thought I'd take you guys along with me, because I really liked the London vlog last time, so let's go to Liverpool.
Come on, mate.
So we're now in Liverpool. We've come to the Alchemist for a drink. Am I really quiet?
Go on, let's do it now.
And I'm really scared because we're in the middle of a bar. That's it really.
Lift it up.
And then we're going to have some drinks, and then we are going to an escape room, which I'm so excited about. It's like zombie themed. Did you know it was zombie themed?
Yeah, because you told me.
Oh.
But I didn't know until you told me.
But it's going to be good. It's going to be exciting. So, yes, that's it. Really. We'll see you later. I don't know if you can even see, but we're just about to check into our room. Wow. It's big. Spacious. Exposed brick. We love a bit of exposed brick, don't we? Yeah. We've got a little table and chairs. Oh, and we've got a waterfront view. That's cute. Oh my god, look at the coffee machine. It's one of them pods where you put the pods in. Ooh, this is so nice. Look at that bed. Ooh. Wow, nice. These chairs, there's a cool lamp. This is like one of the nicest hotels we've stayed in a while. Whoa, this bathroom. Oh my god, we've got twin sinks. You been in here?
No.
We've got twin sinks.
Wow.
Ooh, hey. There's a shower. There's a little stool just in case Liam wants to watch me while I'm in the shower. Oh, what's this though? Secret door. There's two secret doors. What's
Yeah,
bit?
they're locked.
Yeah, but what is it for? I love the decor in here. It's so cool. Like, look at the ceiling. It's nice. Okay, so the plan is to get ready. Oh, I need to show you what I got from Forever 21. I didn't film in when we went shopping because I was on, if I'm honest, I was being really shy. And I don't know, I just got really shy because I haven't vlogged in ages in public. Liam got some invisible socks. I got some really cute, let me put you down. Got these really cute shorts. then on the back they've got 2 stars where the bum is. Really cute. We also got some pants, but you don't really want to see them. And this super cute bodysuit. It's just like strapless, yellow with like a white print on. And that was in the sale as well. There was a really good sale on it in Forever 21. But we don't have a Forever 21 anymore in Manchester, which is really annoying because I used to love Forever 21. I'm going to show you our view. We've got 2 windows. I mean, it doesn't actually look that good on camera, but it's cool because look. That's cool. It's like the docks in Liverpool. I think it's really cute anyway. So let's get ready to rumble. Okay, so I think this is the outfit I'm gonna go for. This like crisscrossy long sleeve top is from Nasty Gal, and then I've just got this little strapless top that says follow your dreams, which is from Topshop. These little necklaces are from Primark. And then these trousers, which are super comfy, are from Pretty Little Thing. And I think that's what I'm gonna wear. I might wear, where's my hat? Might wear this, but it might get annoying and someone might steal it when they're drunk.
What, me?
I might wear this, which I was wearing earlier. Wait, that's not the right way. I think it looks quite cool with a hat. What do you think? Possibly might wear the hat, I'm not sure. And the shoe situation is either these boots. Whoa, it's bright. These black boots, which are quite high, and we're doing an escape room, so they might not be the best. Otherwise I've got trainers and I'm not sure, that's probably not right. Whenever Liam finds a surface, he literally always does. he's like a reptile.
I'm cracking your back.
Literally, like whenever I'm in like a shop shopping, I'll like be like, oh, where's Liam? And he'll be like up against the wall, like doing all this.
I'm just getting nimble.
Oh, and these are my cool sunglasses from Nasty Gal.
You nasty.
Now that is a look. That is a look.
Ooh, baby,
that's what we're going for. We're gonna have a gin now.
Oh, you craphead.
Yay! We're still doing keto, by the way. So I've just made myself a coffee with some coconut oil to keep me going. I'm not actually hungry, to be honest, and we've only had 1 meal. And it's 25 to 5. We'll probably have another meal out. I just need to touch up my makeup. Do you want some of this coffee, Liam?
No.
Yeah, I just need to touch up my makeup. Not really a lot. I'll just put a bit more foundation on. And maybe a bit of concealer. Yeah, so we went into the Alchemist earlier. And we just had, I had this really nice gin. It was Burley's London Dry Gin. And I've never had it before. It's in a black bottle. And oh my god, I think it's the nicest gin I've ever had. Seriously, it was like so smooth. It wasn't bitter. It was just really nice. Where's my concealer? Oh, you know what concealer I use? I use this one. Revolution Conceal and Define. Oh my god, it's like the best concealer, and it's really cheap as well. I think you can get, when it's on offer on Beauty Bay online, I think you can get it for like £2.80. honestly loving, because by now I would have been quite tired, like after having a couple of drinks in the day. It's still only like 4:30, I think. And if I'd had a couple of drinks normally in the day, I'd be really tired. But I'm actually okay. I was trying to find places to go to in Liverpool, and I found this place. I think it's called Cabin Club. They do like a lot of, yeah, they do a lot of like live music. I've started doing my eyebrows different because I saw Mika Francis doing her eyebrows like this using the soap method, and then I saw a blogger, an absolute babe of a blogger, India Lee Reid. She started doing her eyebrows like it as well, and she's done like a tutorial on Instagram, and so that kind of, even though I'd seen it on Mika first, I saw it on her and I was like, oh wow, she looks amazing with them. So I decided to do my own like version. Mine aren't as like, I don't think mine are as good, but they're kind of similar, very bushy. Very bushy, but we always call it the Hawkins brow, because that's my last name, and Hawkins, we always have, all the Hawkins people have really big bushy eyebrows. Okay, I think that's it. I might just top up my eyeliner as well. Maybe put a little bit more bronzer on.
My drink.
Oh yeah, thank you. Thanks, babe. Is that the spiced gin?
Yeah.
That's nice as well.
And Dr. Schwepper.
Which one do you prefer, that one or the one that we just had?
The one we just had.
Yeah, that was
But
like.
I can't really compare it because that one had ice in, that one had no ice in.
Yeah. Do you know what I got? Have you seen those clips, Liam?
What?
That say like words on them? Hair clips.
What?
Like hair clips
Oh yeah.
that say like words on them.
No.
So like the big chunky clips. That you
Well, like dream and believe.
No, like sorry or like girl or like
What?
just words, because it's just funny, it's fashion.
It's fashion, darling.
No, but I've got one.
What does it say?
Sorry.
For what?
No, because I think it's like ironic, because I always say sorry for it, like when someone bumps into me I always say sorry. I just thought it'd be funny.
Yeah, maybe.
Then if someone bumps into me and I want to say sorry, I just point at my hair clip.
Yeah.
This is basically my makeup. I'm gonna just carry on doing more spider eyelashes and then I'm done. Okay, so we both made an executive decision that I'm not going to take the camera out just in case we have a little bit too much to drink and then we lose the camera, and I don't really want to do that. But I'll let you know how the escape room goes. I don't think we can like really film in there anyway, but goodbye from us and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. So it's the next day now. I didn't bother taking the camera out last night, but we had a really nice meal at this vegetarian cafe. It was like a vegetarian and vegan cafe called Egg Cafe, and it really reminded me of Nexus Art Cafe in Manchester. It was really nice. And then we went for some drinks and we managed to find this bar that had a lot of live music on. So that was good. That was called Cabin Club, I think. I actually got a little bit of footage of that. But now we are gonna go to the hydrotherapy pool. We're booked onto that. Just to like chill out for a couple of hours. And then I'm not sure what the plan is for the rest of the day. I'm craving that kale I had yesterday at that restaurant we went to. It was like crispy kale, but it was like the best crispy kale I've ever had, ever. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do for food, but I'll just vlog the rest of the day. So we're now in the spa, and these changing rooms are so nice. Look at this. I'm just about to pull my dress off, but
It looked like she was just out for a bike ride in Birmingham.
so we finished in the spa. It was so relaxing. It was well nice in there, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really good.
And the showers were really nice. Did you have a nice shower in yours?
Yeah, it was
They're like a
alright.
power shower.
Yeah.
Oh, they also had this like cool feature on the shower inside the spa where you could change the setting on it.
It's like tropical rain.
Yeah,
and stuff,
tropical
like,
rain.
it's like a storm, it's pretty rain.
Yeah, it was really cool. And now we're gonna go for some food. I think we're gonna go to a Japanese place, and fingers crossed they've got some keto friendly stuff. So let's go eat.
Let's go.
We've got our little keto friendly shortbreads because me and Liam are hungry for snacks. We've just gone past like a donut van. What else was there? Candy floss van.
Street food.
You just have to bring your own snacks. It's nice though, it like melts in your mouth.
I made that. My recipe.
And we're gonna go to the Tate. But Liverpool is so pretty.
It is, I think it was so nice.
Beautiful.